trick I've been using. I got this and I tried it with duck, and I found it to be far too salty. But I cut back on the entire bag. I only used like a third or a quarter of the bag, and it still came out just fine. But what I did is I lowered how much recommended water there is. And so you take the brining bag and you push down and suck out all the oxygen. And you come back about every 15 minutes. Is there a hole in it? Oh, no, probably not. Otherwise the water would look like that. So I took out all the salt, you can see. Pretty much all the salt. And I filled up my black pepper grinder from the dollar store. I now have a salt grinder with really good salt. What I'll do is I'll come back every 15 minutes and massage the bird. And I'll do this normally with 2 hands, but this is just a video to show how to increase the flavor of your berries and all that. To get the brine working, that'll go under the skin and everything. And then you massage the meat of the bird. And I did this with the duck too, and it just made the duck extremely tender. And so that's the way to get a free salt shaker and fancy rosemary salt, right? And some still well brined bird. I only did it for 2 hours and the brine was more than flavorful. So I imagine this would be pretty good too.